Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot chat with the user in TikTok message error. If you're using TikTok and you're trying to send message to anyone on TikTok and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to send a message, you see an error that cannot chat with that user. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you have to go to your settings or in your TikTok, go to settings by tapping on your profile option at the bottom right. Then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right, tap on settings and privacy. Very first tap on privacy section and here select messaging and you have to make sure that your safe mode is not enabled. If you find it enabled, try to disable it from here. After disabling your safe mode, you have to go back and verify your age, which is minimum 60 plus. So you just have to go to account section and there just select account information and you have to select your date of birth and just set your date of birth and you have to make sure that your date of birth is more than 16-year-old because there's a limit that under 16 cannot use DM on TikTok. So after verifying your date, you just have to go back and retry to send them a message. Or sometime it might be that whenever you send the message request to anyone, if the person has deleted or ignored your message request, you are unable to message them again. Or you can also try to send some mutual followers or some friends. You can try to follow some friends of other people, or you can also try to follow everyone. So let's say I'm gonna chat with this person. So you just have to keep in mind that the person is following you and you're also following that person, and after that can easily chat with that person. Or in for general issues, you can go to your app store or play store, go to search and search for TikTok, and here you can try to update your TikTok app. So just try to update your app. After updating, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your settings app. Here, go to general, go to iPhone storage here. Just look for TikTok app and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also go to your TikTok app, then tap on profile option in the bottom right, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right, and here to select settings and privacy, and here you just have to select free up space option and then select cache, and you have to try to clear cache from here. So after clearing cache, you have to close your TikTok app from recent apps, then try to reopen it. Or you can also use down detector to check if your TikTok is down in your server. Open your browser, go for search, and you have to simply search for down detector. You can search for down detector, and here just allow to use your location, then select the first website from here. Now here you have to tap on search option and then simply search for TikTok, and you have to check if TikTok is set down in your server or not. So if you see that TikTok app is still down in your servers, it might be that you're unable to use TikTok DMs. Or you can also try to report in TikTok report our support team. So go to TikTok, tap on profile option at the bottom right, tap on three horizontal lines, tap on setting the privacy, scroll down, look for help center, and here just look for direct messages. So you just have to look for using TikTok. Here just tap on see more, and here you can select an option to relating to your issue. So let's say I'm gonna select direct messages from here, and here you have to select any option. Let's say I'm gonna select the first one from here. Now you might see some errors and their fixes in this screen. You can also tap on this need more help option to make a live chat with TikTok support team. So in this chat you can easily contact or chat with TikTok support team and discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.